absolutely the most useful sewing stitch ever, the ladder stitch. You're going to be sewing these ladder steps, or rungs as they're called, across your opening. This happens to be a suit coat lining, but this could be a pillow that you need to close the last bit of, or a hole in a couch, or anything else. You just take a bite out of this, so you go in and out, and then you go straight across to the other side, and you take another bite in and out. And once you have those done, you get all these horizontal lines, and then you just pull it up, and it pulls everything together. And because of the way you're sewing this seam basically tucks itself towards the inside and becomes invisible. So here's another couple of stitches. They're right there, and all I got to do is pull, and it snugs the whole thing right together.